In this video, I want to teach you how to very easily and quickly create a drop-down menu from your homepage. Quick tip, you have to have all of your collections that you want in the drop-down menu created before you create your drop-down menu. And that's because the drop-down menu is going to link to your collection. So if you don't have your collections created yet, you have nothing to link to. So what do I mean by drop-down menu? So this is my homepage right here. I'm in the customizing section of Shopify right now. A drop-down menu would be this. Would be if I were to hover my mouse over the word catalog, and catalog is a catalog of all my products. So if I were to hover my mouse over catalog, you should see a drop-down of all the collections, so that when a customer comes to my homepage and they hover their mouse here, they can see all the different collections, like the unicorn collection, the foodie collection, the rubber collection. I want all of those things to show up right here. And if you remember correctly, this entire black and red section is called the header. And if I edit the header, I can go in and change the menu. The main menu within the Shopify's navigation section is what makes up this menu. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click main menu and click edit menu here. And that's gonna bring me to the navigation section of my main menu. If I back up to the main page of navigation, you'll see that I have two menus. I'm only going to edit the main menu because the main menu is what is currently added to my header section, right? This could easily also be the footer menu, but instead I put the main menu here to inside my header section. So I'm going to edit the main menu and not the footer menu. Right now there's two main there's two main menu items within my main menu. I'm gonna add another collection right now. I'm gonna type this I'm gonna call it unicorn cases. You can name it anything you want. And I'm gonna link this submenu to a collection. I don't know if you guys saw that. Let me do that again. I'm gonna click link. I'm gonna choose collections. I'm gonna click the unicorn collection, right? These are all the collections that I currently have on my Shopify dashboard. I'm gonna click unicorns. And then you could just leave this blank and then I'm gonna click add. If I leave it the way it is right now, the unicorn collection is gonna show to the right of the catalog, but I don't want that. I want the unicorn collection to be a drop down in the catalog section. So I'm gonna click this right here, these 6 dots, I'm gonna click on them and I'm gonna drag upwards and I'm gonna slide it to the right like that. And now the unicorn cases is a submenu of the catalog menu item. And then I'm gonna add some of my other collections as well. So I'm gonna name this one rubber cases. I'm gonna click link. Rubber cases is going to link to a collection, and that collection is the rubber collection. I'm gonna click add, right? And then I'm gonna add another menu. My other one was foodie cases. And I'm gonna click that. I'm gonna connect that to a collection, and that collection is the foodie collection. I'm gonna click add. I'm gonna add my 4th collection as well, which was trending cases. And I'm gonna click link. I'm gonna link it to a collection, and I'm gonna choose the trending collection. Click add. Then I'm gonna click save. All right. Now, if I go to online store and I click view my store, I should see it. So boom, there you have it. There's a drop down. If I click it, you'll see the 4 collections I just added. And that is how you create a drop down menu on your homepage. I hope that was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next video.